Hello.
So, we're not in Discord, we're actually videoing. So, can you hear me guys in Kuya's tablet? Tapos, can you hear Kuya in the tablet?
We post on the same channel, but we have the exact
We have the exact same channel, guys.
let's play. 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Sorry, guys. But we play this before, guys. And
We haven't played this
play
before.
this before.
No, we didn't. Come here.
You said we played this before, guys.
Si Mr. Boss yun eh. Okay, come here. Ano number tao? Para hindi ka
2.
mag-gate. Go in. Let's do this.
Kuya, I'm gonna crash out the TV again. Oh, it's so annoying.
Where's Bo? Okay, we're chained. We gotta work together.
So guys, I'm actually gonna turn the lights up because it's so dark. So I can now see everything. We'll be together. Hey. Just walk. Oh yeah, you can hear you walk, bro. Exit.
That was easy.
Okay. Ow.
Start this, dude. Thank God we found your words. I just saw special taste that Moses, we don't know what you are doing. But she's gonna take your money. We're gonna work together.
Pinanyo.
Okay, Kuya, yun. Parkour.
Jump! Man, we're gonna jump together. Jump! Okay, come here. 1, 2, 3, jump! Jump.
We complete the audit.
Up it. This is so.
Oh.
Man, we're gonna get.
How did I die? How did I
The red light, green light. Man, stop wheeling. Oh my god, I'm dead. I'm telling you.
We're under control.
Mayra, stop pulling me. Who? We're gonna dream. Mayra, you're pulling me, you stupid.
I'm already dead.
You move in red light, stupid.
I thought it was the red light. Hello. Let's see if I can revive to the next one.
You stupid, you stupid.
Ang potato.
Wala, where do we pass it on?
Bakit yun?
Luckily I'm the god. Luckily I'm the god of Dukes. Luckily I'm the god of Dukes.
Yeah,
Luckily I'm the god of Dukes.
Hindi mo lang naman alam
Ah, you're so hard to move, Fatty.
You are I'm going to kill you in real life, guys. When this video is over, guys, I'm gonna kill you.
I'm gonna pull you up, Fatty, if you don't move. This is a little bit dark. Okay, it's a backlight. There's a pistol.
Okay, go around again. Now I'm pulling you, Fatty.
No, I'm pulling you, Fatty. See you, Fatty. You're gonna make us fall, Fatty.
Yeah, it is all.
Fatty.
Wait.
Fatty.
Yeah, I swear if you call me.
Fatty. Ah.
I swear if you call me Fatty random time, I'm going to pull you.
Well, move, Fatty. Because I'm gonna go up alone. Coming up. Willa, move!
Because you call me Fatty all the time, no?
I can't let you move, you.
Fine, if you call me Fatty one more time, I'm literally gonna drop.
What? You're fat.
You can't say that either, or else I'll drop.
You're chunky.
No, you can't say that. If you say fat, chunky, or even the slightest meanness, do not say anything to be even. Only the viewers you have to say for your video. Viewers.
Oh, okay. Okay, Fatty. In the arcade machine, beat the game. Ito, arcade machine. Ano to ba? Ano ba to?
I'm not moving until you say sorry.
I don't want to, Fatty.
What the?
I don't know how to play this game.
Guys, I'm
Oh, that's how to.
Tingnan mo.
But how you not gonna? You have to move your other character. How are we supposed to beat this all because
I'm there. I'm here. Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
I understand it now.
I understand what you. I understand.
Hey, to beat the game.
That's kind of sad.
Congratulations!
Congratulations. I'm gonna hit Kuya, guys.
My mic is still on! Hey, yun na tuloy ako mic.
Okay, guys, I hit Kuya.
Okay, let's go in.
Into about to beat you up.
Okay, better move, you fatty.
Oh, okay.
Oo, Rona. Anak ko siya.
Joy is magic.
Anak namin siya ni Roger Salvador.
Pull my body up. Pull my body up. Tapos, jump. I know a strategy that will win this game. When I
Huli
was
siya sa una niyang asawa.
jump and pull me up. And
Nagsama lang kami.
Walang niya ka talaga, Rina. Pagkiti mo. Pinagpalit mo sa isang may sama.
myself. Give myself.
Bakit?
Pull.
Dahil ba, mayaman siya.
Pull.
At tigit ka may kinabukasin sa kanya kaysa sa akin. Yan ba?
Let me just pull myself.
Shut up,
Wala.
Alex.
If I'm wrong, then I'm
At
done.
ikaw, hindi ka makakwarta, Rona. Maglinis ka dito ako.
How will it kill
Wala
you?
sa servisyo.
Okay, we're here. We get checkpoints. Mela, you pull me. Okay, stay dyan. Stay ka lang dyan. Mela, move back in the pink. Move in the pink. Okay, you pull me, di ba? Nakikita mo na pupula ko?
Kung paano ka tinanggap na eskwela ang pagtutukan.
Okay, that's okay, that's okay.
Hindi ka karapat dapat na maging sagot.
Eh, di ba? Okay.
Hindi nila
Let
alam
me just test something.
na ikaw isang kabit lang.
Oo, Rona. Kahit ako ganito, taas na ako masasabing tapat ko sa aking tungkulin bilang anak.
Wala.
Amanin lang lahat ito kaya tinanggap
I
nila ang
literally hate you,
sistema.
Kuya.
Eh, ikaw ngayon, Rona. May pagmamahal sa pagiging sundalo mo.
Yeah, Becky. Okay, now we know everything.
Dahil dito kami.
Oh.
Ang ligtas nila.
It,
Ganun na lamang nasaksihan ko mga ginawa mo.
it
Kuya, I
broke.
swear to God,
Sa ating sa iyong misyon, Rona.
let's kill you.
Ang pumatay ng isang taong walang kalaban.
Ah!
Bakit hindi sabihin mo? Iinis ka ng servisyo dahil ang gawin. Inyenti ka pa rin.
You're so
Sana mo
funny.
mga pangarap. Sinabi ko lang mga natutunan mo sa masamang paraan.
Ow, ow.
Kung ako mukhang teka, masakol ka dahil mamamatay tao ka pa.
Tanungin mo ng aking mga kasamahan.
Wrong way, damn it.
Hindi lang. Ito ang aking pagkatao. Ito ang harap. Luluwa ang plaka ito.
I swear. You keep laughing. I'll stop fighting.
Anytime, anywhere.
Ayun ko kayo
Mix and
dalawa, wala
Halo.
akong naririnig na eh.
Guys, can I just go on mic?
I'm not gonna have mic. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, go, move.
We're gonna video.
Okay, you pushed me off. That wasn't my fault. You pushed me off.
Ano gagawin natin ngayon?
I'm gonna kill you. I swear, Peter. One more time.
I'm just good.
Mabuti pa kayo yung mga gata. Alis tayo dito. Kataka sa ating mga biyan? Tayo na nga alis. Ano ba nangyayari? Alis na ka tayo.
Live. No!
Iwan mga biyan.
Pull
Paano
back.
namin sila?
Pull back. Ow! What happens if I just...
What are you?
I got stuck.
Shut up.
No!
Leave.
Okay, I'm joking.
I'm almost about to leave, guys.
Oh, dodge the lasers. Dodge the lasers. Dodge! You psychopath! Oh, I dodged that. You psycho.
Una pala.
And I'm gonna...
Nalalaman ko. Hindi kinakasama siya at nena ko sila. Hindi na sana ako nagpolitik sa misyon kita. Pero
Hey,
napag-isip
be careful. Be careful.
na walang mapapala dito. Ay nagtiwala sa
How are you?
at sumama
Ah!
upang tulungan sila.
Die
Yung
again?
mong sarili at tumalikod sa sinumpahan natin tungkulin bilang
Look, dude.
I'm gonna die
Sa
again.
lahat ng oras,
Or I'm gonna kill
dapat
you.
magmahal. Pinikot ang sarili natin sa pangalan.
You can go now. Hey, you can go now.
I would like to assure each and every one that
See
we
you
are trying our
soon.
best to track down the group of ex-Major Mauro Mendez. I suggest that you relax, stop worrying,
I'm gonna kill you.
as we are in probably
Kill
situation.
you if you keep doing that.
As a matter of fact, I've requested the IUC commander to locate the hideout of the kidnappers.
Okay, it's oopsie.
But at the same time,
Oopsie.
you have to exercise maximum caution.
Oopsie.
You carry me. You carry me. You're the one who deserves to punish, bro.
Okay, you want me to carry you?
Alam niyo
Okay.
naman kung gaano kasukal ang buka. Kung kaya, nahihirapan sila maghanap. Kung
Oh.
gaano katapos si Mauro Mendez.
That's what you're...
Kaya kaya
Walk, kuya.
napagkasa namin lahat. Na
I'm
bayaran
gonna
ang
bro.
ransom na
I
hinihingi
like
ng pangkat.
actually, bro.
Wait, there's my screen ko. Tapos
Sino
there's my
man ang
screen.
pinapakita sa kung yung gagawin. It has been the policy of the government that to give in to the demand of
Wala.
extortionist Mr. Sabaron. This will encourage others to do the same thing.
Oy, fault mo yan.
And before you
The
know
one
it,
reason
maraming
that I
magsusunuran sa
will
ganitong
fuck
gawain.
you.
Fault mo.
Paano naman yung ano mo?
Fault mo yun yung only reason.
Hindi yung halagang hinihingi nila.
The fault is
Sigurado
I'm gonna kill
mapapahamak
you.
sila.
I understand your plight,
Wala.
Mr. Correndo.
Look.
Pero nakakasiguro pa kayo na kapag binayaran ng ransom,
Hey, hintayin the train, hintay ang train. Go.
kung sakali ang anak mo sa mga tumita,
Hintay.
hindi mo nagawa ng natin sa ano pa
Go.
ngayon.
Go. Hintay.
You're right, Mr.
Go. Mila, go.
Ako isang magulang din.
Wait.
And I'll probably do everything
Go.
except to pay for that ransom na hihingi nila.
Go.
I'm sure I can agree.
Wait. Go.
Why that's my face?
Hide behind rocks.
What the fuck are you doing?
Oh, it's coming. Light up. Wala. It's coming. I'm on the Discord. This pala my lead.
No, let's actually follow my lead because you're the one who
The chain.
I'm going to kill you, bro. Actually.
Gusto ko na makausap.
Wala. Pala red yung black lights. Ibig sabihin pupunta na siya.
Try apple. Apple, apple, banana, pineapple, apple, sweet pine, apple.
Remember yung nalakaan?
Yeah!
O, sige.
We're gonna survive.
Nope.
Sorry. I thought we were gonna survive before.
No, I hate you though.
Come here. Follow my lead.
No.
Follow my lead.
No.
Follow my lead. Chain.
Tayo na ano.
Well, hide against the rock. Huh? Well, we're so dead. Somehow that game monster didn't see us.
Guys, Kuya, why are you walking so slow?
Hello, what are you doing? Why are you going?
Hide behind this rock.
It's not coming yet. It isn't red yet.
What did I say?
Ha! Ano siya?
Kuya!
Sorry. Ala. Somehow of my life.
I'm gonna block you, I swear. I'm just there at freedom.
Okay, Mela, fix. Wala pa yung red light.
You're the winner.
Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Wala pa yung red lights in my snowman.
Kill you, bro. If you don't...
Diba, ayaw pa naman disappear yung red lights.
Okay, lang ng kalinaw. Kuya, hide!
I'm going. I'm not afraid of that big monster. Go, 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 go. Mela. What?
I'm going. Me, Lisa. Lisa talaga siya, te.
Forgive me, Lisa.
I hate you, Lisa.
Oh, Mela. 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 Stop pulling me. We're gonna die.
Oh. Oh, golly.
Mela, merong swords. You stupid! Get beat up! Ah! Okay. Attack, dodge. Attack, dodge. Attack,
Kuya, you kill.
dodge. Attack, dodge. Attack, dodge. Die! Ah. Right again. You're gonna taste our... Wala, spam your blades. Spam your blades. Spam.
Wala you get me killed.
Spam, like what I did. Or I'm gonna pull you into your death. See? Now, no. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, attack. Attack lang.
Huwag ka pang lay down.
May balik mo to doon, May.
Attack lang ha. Attack lang. Attack lang. Yan, maraming damage ginagawa niya sa'yo. Jump and attack.
Okay, sorry. Guys, 10% na. So,
No, Mela, 10.
button.
Mela, we're close to winning.
Bye, everyone.
We're close to winning.
No, bye.
Look, we're close to winning. You just don't wanna play.
We have 10% na dyan.
No, no. Just keep playing. We have a chance to win. I don't want to die. Mela, we're close to winning.
No, this is very 26 long. I mean,
26 seconds long.
you can do this by yourself.
No.
Yes.
Merong change dyan eh. Kailangan 2 player. We finish!
Alright, everyone. If you wanna see part 2, like it,
Or
subscribe.
chapter 2. If you guys wanna see chapter 2, like and subscribe. What?
Like, kuya.
Wait, what? This is chapter 2. If you guys wanna see more, like and subscribe.